Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jaytee, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you another song to play on the ukulele. But before we start the tutorial, magsha-shoutout muna tayo. So shoutout kay CJ Collis, Christine Quaresma, Francesca B, JD Cross, Mary Chris Bergola, Kina May Garcia, Chloe Primero, Kyla Martinez, Kim Brian Navea, and lastly, shout out kay Joy Pagudon Keliope. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And for today's tutorial, gagamitin ko tong ukulele na naka-display lang sa background ko nung previous video ko, which is Teka Lang na Eman. If you haven't seen the tutorial yet, please click that card up there. So, ang dami nagtatanong kung anong ukulele ba daw yung naka-display sa likod ko. So, this ukulele is a soprano ukulele. Actually, wala siyang brand and isa to sa mga in-unbox ko nung first package na pinadala sa akin ng Banggood. Banggood is like Lazada or Shopee, pero naka-base siya sa China. And if you want to purchase this ukulele, you may check out the link on the description box below. This ukulele retails for only 1,343 and 17 centavos. Ayan guys, oh. Yan. Add to cart na! So without further ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play. I will be here. Now, before we start the tutorial, keep in mind that each of these strings has their corresponding names. So this one, which is the fourth string, the string that is facing your face, okay, so this one is the G string, followed by C, E, and A. So basically, eto si A, this is the one that is facing the ground, and this is the first string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now for the first part of the song, which is the intro, it should sound like this one. So the first thing that you're going to do is position mo yung kamay mo na ganito. Ayan, okay? So ilalagay mo yung index finger mo dito sa third string ng second fret, and then yung fourth finger mo is andito sa E string sa third fret. Okay? So, ayan yung itsura niya. And then, the first thing that you're going to pluck is the fourth string. So, dyan sa tabs, G string is an open string. Okay? And then, after that one, ipapluck mo yung C string na nakalagay dito, yung index finger mo. So, according dyan sa tabs natin, so nakalagay dapat yung finger mo sa C string, second fret. So, 1, 2, and then after that one, you need to pluck the string, E string. So, G, C, E, and then after that one, ipapluck mo siya ng, so lahat, sabay sila. So, your thumb is plucking the fourth string while your index finger is strumming upward etong dalawang string na to. Okay? Ayun. And then after that one, open to 2. Okay? So meaning, etong fourth finger mo, you will lift it up and then ilalagay mo yung middle finger dito sa second fret E string. Okay? So, from this position, lilipat siya. Ayan. Okay? So, from the top. Ayan. So, from the top. Ayan. And after that part, lift. Kasi open strings na lahat. Yung G, C, at saka E na string. Ayan, so ipapluck mo lang siya. So, again, yung fourth string, pinapluck niya ito, and then your index finger is strumming upward etong E and C string. Okay? And then, after that one, ilalagay mo na naman yung index finger mo dito sa C string, second fret. And then, uulitin mo lang yan twice. Now, let's try from the top. Okay, a little bit faster. for this tutorial, meron tayong aaralin ng mga color coding. So, ginawa ko siyang ganito para mas madali ko siyang maituro sa inyo. So, we have 4 main colors. Violet, we have red, blue, and green. So, yung violet, yun yung para sa intro natin. So, yung violet natin is yung intro tabs. While yung red, yung plucking pattern niya, kasi each of the color, meron siyang corresponding na plucking pattern. Now, for red, we need to pluck G, C, E, A, and then C, E, and C. Okay, that's for color red. Next color is blue, and we need to pluck C, E, tapos C and A, sabay. Ipupull natin to, and after that one, balik ka na naman sa C. Okay, so again, C, E, C, and A, and C. And lastly, we have the color green. And para sa green, we need to pluck G, C, E, tapos C and A, pull, and C and A ulit. Okay? Now, for the first verse of the song, yung first na chord na makikita natin dyan is the chord of G. Okay? And yung kulay niya is color red. Now again, for color red, we need to pluck G, C, E, A, tapos C, E, and C. Ayan. And then after that one, yung next na chord na makikita natin dyan is D, G, E minor, and D. And then yung kulay niya is blue. Now, for this part, it should sound like this one. So, first chord is D. So, kahit hindi natin to ipapluck, di ba yung D, we have 1, 2, 3. Ilalagay natin yan. Pero kahit hindi natin to ipapluck, i-position mo pa rin siya kung anong chord yung nakalagay dyan. Okay? So, D, chord of D. So, we need to pluck C, tapos E, tapos C and A and C. Then, lipat chord, G. So, yung beat niya, deng, 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 deng. Ding 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 ding. Ayan. And next na color is color green, and we have the chord progression of C and C major 7. And for that part, it should sound like this one. G, C, E, tapos C, A, and then C, A ulit. Pero andito ka na dapat sa C major 7. Up. Okay, again. Next line, we have A minor, D. So, I will be here. So, yung gagawin mo dyan, G, C, E, A, C, E, C, then D. And then, after that one, balik ka na naman sa intro. Pero once mo lang siyang gagawin. Okay, let's try to do it again from the top. 1, 2, 3, go. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. And then after that, next line ka naman, if in the dark we lose sight of love. So, the same pa rin yung gagawin natin dyan. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear. Ayan. 'Cause I will be here. Pero dito sa last line ng verse 1, we have the chord progression of G, G7, and B. So, hindi siya yung intro sa kanina. So, gagawin natin siyang, 'cause I will be here. Ayan. So, blue yung G7 and B. So, tang, 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 tang. Okay? So, yun yung mangyayari sa verse 1. Now, let's move on to the next part, which is the chorus. Now, for the chorus, the same thing. susundin pa rin natin yung color coding. We have E minor, A, and D, which is in the color red. I will be here when you feel like being quiet. So G, C, E, A, C, E, C. When you need to speak your mind. Pagdating sa mind, we have C, D, and A minor, which is in the color blue. Mine, I will listen. I will be here. Next line, B. I will be here when the laughter turns to crying. Through the winning, losing, or trying, we'll be together. Tapos intro, 2 times. Now for the second verse of the song, kung ano yung ginawa natin sa verse 1, yun din yung gagawin natin sa verse 2. The same lang silang dalawa. Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the future is unclear, and I will be here. Intro ulit. Just assure the seasons are made for change. Our lifetimes are made for ease. So tas connected na naman sa chorus. I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. And I will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and tell you to me. I will be here. Tapos isang down strum ng D. Next part is the bridge, and the same thing will still follow the color coding. I will be true to the promise I have made to you and to the one who gave you to me. Isang down strum din ng D. Then after that part is the outro. Now for the outro, it should sound like this. Just as sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for ease. So I will be here, we'll be together. Strum ulit, D. Cause I will be here. Tas intro, and you need to do that twice. So that's it for our tutorial today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below yung mga title ng mga songs na gusto nyo na ituro ko dito sa channel na to. And of course, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-update kayo whenever I upload a new video or whenever magla-livestream ako. So ayun, that's it for our video today, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!